What's up guys, my name's Devin and I'm one half of the dynamic duo that makes up Garment Decor. Together with me and my twin brother Adrian, we started in our parents' garage in 2011 with hopes that we can become a big screen printing business. The business went from our parents' garage to our parents' driveway and parents' lawn. And when it got to the kitchen, enough was enough. So in 2013, we moved into our first warehouse, bought our first screen printing automatic machine. Business boomed. We landed some pretty big customers, and we were excited with how things were going. But we needed a software that can power that behind us. And that's where we found DecoNetwork. This all-in-one tool allowed us to be able to train new employees efficiently and quickly to be able to become useful team members within our company. What allowed us to grow even further was the use of the design lab that was placed on our website. In 2018, we purchased our first direct-to-garment printing machine, and we were stoked to be able to print t-shirts on demand. We've had customers be thrilled with the idea that they can place an order online and pick it up in-store the next day. DecoNetwork has been great for us. It's made our life easier, our business runs smoother, and best of all, customers love it. What more do you want? DecoNetwork, the way to go.